Okay, so this might sound funny, but my puzzle and my nails are literally twinning today. So I got my nails done with the cherry blossom design, and as soon as I saw this puzzle, I knew this had to be the next one. So let's start with unboxing. So you can already see the little pings pretty close to the design I have. So I have started sorting the pieces. So I'm going to sort pinks and greens and the border. All the pink ones look very similar. I am sure this is going to be a tough one. And we are almost done sorting. So here I have all the edge pieces. Let's start with the border. So I'm actually not used to having long nails, and I can't lift the pieces with these nails. I always prefer to put the border together first. It kind of gives me an idea of what is the size of the puzzle. So we have our border ready. So I'll go ahead with the smallest set first. Just a couple of pieces, and we were able to see two women. Once that is done, I think the next best approach is to fit in the green ones and then keep the hardest part for the last. The good thing about the green part is there are many shades, hence it made it very simple and easy to figure out which piece should go where. So if you notice, all the pinks look very similar, and it's not possible for me to identify what should go where. It's totally random. Hence I'm going to use the method where I'm going to solve using shapes. So I've started sorting by different shapes. So almost done with shape sorting. Now we will start putting everything together. So the top pieces are going to be the cherry blossom pieces with blue background. So now this is more of a permutation combination games where I am looking at the surrounding pieces and judging which piece might fall here and which also has a blue background. So it just narrows down my search. Almost there, it's just a few pieces left now. The cherry blossom are finally starting to look alive. It's giving a full spring in Japan vibes. So almost there, just a few pieces left. I always get this tiny rush of excitement when I can finally see the full picture coming together. There's something so peaceful about this puzzle. It's pretty, it's soothing. And the pieces actually click in well. The quality of pieces was fine. I did not find any misfits. So it was good that pieces were just clicking in. And here it is. Thank you for watching.